All right, hey, what's up, everybody? So I've moved from Pattaya to Bangkok. I'm up near Don Muang Airport. Uh, let's see, where do we start? So I'm going to just show the room and then out the window here. Totally forgot there was a balcony. Saw it when I opened the windows to get some good light. Anyway, so this is Lumpini Place or Lumpini Park or something like that, which is odd because I was staying at Lumpini Seaview in Jomtien. Anyway, not odd, just a coincidence. But the reason, sorry, my feet are squeaking. I just got out of the shower. The reason I'm recording this is because if you were a single person or a young couple, maybe, or even an older couple, or you and your bud, whatever, this is sort of what you would be looking at for an apartment in Thailand. So go in here. Obviously, this is the front door. This one has a electronic lock in addition to the deadbolt. You know, small-ish TV. That's probably like a 40-inch maybe, with a little bit of sound system. I can see there's a subwoofer down there. Tiny little table for two. An air conditioning unit in the living room. One in the bedroom. Looks to be about a double or queen bed. It's hard for me to tell. There's yours truly. Couch beside the TV. Plenty of room for two people to store all their stuff here. Let's see, the bathroom over here. So one thing that's different that you know, this is like stereotypical. One thing that's different is that this bathroom is not air conditioned. Whoops. Small bathroom. Oh, wow, it's really dark in here. I love this. I'm gonna have to get one for home, wherever that ends up being. Yeah, you can see the windows outside. Really big shower. It's kind of hard to see. Ordinary toilet. Haven't tested the bum gun yet. Actually, let's do that. You always test the bum gun first. That's good pressure. Wow, that's brown water. Oh, I think somebody might have left us a gift. Anyway, all my stuff's out over here. You'll have to excuse that. So another thing that's different, you might be wondering, where's the kitchen? Where'd they put the dang old kitchen? I'm glad you asked. Kitchen's right here. And this space is also not air conditioned, but it is. So here was the bathroom, living room through there, and that's outside. So I'm actually doing laundry right now. Oh wow, I guess all the water just goes into the drain. Interesting. So in this space right here, I would say it's probably, by the way, you know, tiny, quaint little kitchen, but it's completely perfect for two people. You know, this is as close to a full-size fridge as I've seen. There's some fresh eggs in here that let's be honest, I'm not gonna be eating that. I may eat in the lounge in the morning. Is there anything in the freezer? We got some veg, some stuff. So yeah, they probably got a kid. Makes sense. But yeah, for, you know, young couple with kid, this is perfect. Once I open this door, so like I said, it's like 32, 33 degrees right here in this spot. Well, actually, no, it's probably closer to 30. Out here, when I left Pattaya today, it was 37. So, and it's warmer here for sure. Yeah, and this doesn't help. These are the two AC units. But what you'll notice is they're blowing directly at clothes racks. So these clothes I'm washing won't be dry probably before I get back from dinner, which is awesome. So here's the view here. I'm actually going to go over to the balcony, which is right around the corner. But yeah, this is very much what a young couple in Thailand might live in. And I kind of wish the place I'd stayed down in Pattaya was more similar to this. And also, you know, the bedroom has got these doors for you know, keeping the kid noise down, I guess. And then you've got these curtain things, whatever they're called, that roll down. So when mom and dad when the parents need some alone time to talk about the bills. All right, so yeah, come up here. One big step up, one big step down, and we're on the balcony. So I can't tell you where anything is. I mean, that obviously downtown Bangkok, you know, so that area is that way, which tells me that the airport is over there, and I'm sure once yeah, because I haven't seen a single jet, so I'm guessing they're all over there. Terrell could use a bath. But yeah, busy little street here. That's an MRT station, but it's not open. All of that's under construction. I was when I got here in my grab car, I was like, are you joking? There's an MRT station literally like on the same side of the street, well, you know, straddling the street to this building. No, it's not open yet. Anyway, so we're north of Bangkok. This is the Wat Pra something BTS station is on that road in that direction, 800 meters. Man, and some of it, like, so this area, I've never stopped here. I mean, we've been to the airport, we've stayed across the street from the airport, but this area up here is there aren't a lot of Falang. It is, I mean, you see how green it is. We're in one of the biggest cities in the world. It's covered in trees. I mean, obviously it's covered in city also, I mean, as far as you look, but there's some really nice parks right over there. And I've already broken a sweat having just gotten out of the shower. I stood out there too long squawking at you guys. But if I was a single person, this is exactly what I would want for an apartment. It's got everything you need. There's a service station there. There's a performance wheel shop. There's another apartment condo. There's this building. Looks like a strip mall over there. There's a giant Central Festival Mall, literally like right on beside this building. But what I like about Thailand is there's no zoning. Well, effectively no zoning. So if you look down there in the shadow of this building, those are just houses that were here before all this other stuff was here. Or maybe they were built after the fact. But you can tell, like the house with the green roof back there, that's very old. The other ones look newer, of course. But that's probably all one big family owned piece of property. It's all fenced in away from this, and they get all this afternoon shade right here. Come on, that's the life. Got their solar powered street lights on their one little street. I love it.